Unlock the path to financial freedom with how to make money from freelancing. In this guide, we'll dive into the exciting world of freelancing, where your skills become your greatest assets. Explore proven strategies, platforms, and tips that can help you launch a successful freelance career. From finding clients to setting your rates and managing your business, join us as we navigate the rewarding landscape of freelancing. Get ready to turn your talents into a source of income, gain independence, and embark on a journey towards professional and financial fulfillment. Today, we will talk about how to make money from freelancing. Freelancing is the new buzzword in the job market. It's the job alternative providing all the benefits of a full-time job and entrepreneurship, combined without the hassle of having to commute or work set hours. But as great as freelancing sounds, it can be hard to know where to start and how to make money freelancing. While there are many ways to make money freelancing, from becoming a virtual assistant to offering your services on Fiverr, some methods work better than others. But before we discuss any methods, let's first understand how freelancers work and how they commit to it full-time. How do freelancers work? Freelancers are sole proprietors with a distinct skill set that they offer to clients in exchange for monetary compensation. Unlike a traditional 9-to-5 job, freelancers are not employed by a single company. They are self-employed entrepreneurs who work with multiple clients on various projects on a contractual basis. The type of work can range from content writing and web design to social media marketing and consulting. The great thing about freelancing is that most of such jobs can be done entirely online. This gives freelancers the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, as long as they have a computer and an internet connection. What is the most profitable freelance job? The most profitable freelance job is the job you're skilled at and enjoy doing. But if we had to choose one, the most profitable freelancing job would be programming and software development. Other high-paying freelance jobs include motion graphics, graphic design, social media specialist, and copywriting. How can a beginner start freelancing? There are many ways to get started with freelancing, but the most common way is to start by finding work on a marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Another great way to get started is by reaching out to companies directly and pitching your services. Here is the roadmap you can use to make money freelancing. 1. Start a blog. Blogging provides an opportunity to showcase expertise and attract potential clients. It's also an excellent platform to monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and advertising. Identify your niche, create valuable content, and promote your blog on social media to draw traffic and increase your earning potential. 2. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a popular choice for those looking to make money online. There's a high demand for content writers, copywriters, and bloggers. You can find freelance writing jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and pitch to potential clients to increase your earning potential. 3. Virtual assistant. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Working remotely, virtual assistants offer administrative assistance to clients in various areas. You can provide services such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and bookkeeping. You can find virtual assistant jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and social media. 4. Social media manager. Social media is a vital marketing tool for businesses, and many are looking for someone to manage their social media accounts. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating content, engaging with followers, and analyzing metrics. You can find social media manager jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. 5. Graphic designer. If you have a flair for creativity and possess a keen eye for design, then becoming a graphic designer could be a lucrative career option for you. Graphic designers create visual content such as logos, website layouts, and marketing materials. You can find graphic design jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your skills to attract potential clients. 6. Web developer. Web development is a highly sought-after skill, and there's a high demand for web developers. The role of a web developer entails the creation and maintenance of websites, and this requires a diverse skill set and attention to detail. You can find web development jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your skills to attract potential clients. 7. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, and you can teach students from all over the world. You can find online tutoring jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Create a profile highlighting your qualifications and expertise to attract potential clients. 8. E-commerce seller. If you have a product to sell, consider becoming an e-commerce seller. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Etsy Shop make it easy to sell your products online. By leveraging platforms like Shopify, it's possible to create a customized e-commerce website that aligns with your brand and business goals, giving you more autonomy and control over your online presence. Conduct market research, identify your target audience, and create a marketing strategy to increase your earning potential. 9. Translator. If you're bilingual, consider becoming a translator. Translators translate documents, websites, and other content from one language to another. You can find translation jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and People Per Hour, etc., and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your language skills to attract potential clients. 10. Online surveys. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, consider taking online surveys. Many market research companies pay people to survey and provide product and service feedback. While it may not be the most lucrative option, it's a simple way to earn some extra cash. Look for reputable survey websites and sign up to start earning. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.